Technology is everywhere. It's exciting, yet it's overwhelming. We upgrade phones, we buy new gadgets, but still, we struggle to use them fully. We get stuck, frustrated, feeling left behind, sensing we're missing something. But here's the good news. You're not alone. This isn't about becoming a tech whiz. It's about simple tweaks, unlocking what your devices can do. Small changes, big impact on your day. Ready to dive in? Let's unlock the potential hidden in your pocket. Your smartphone is powerful, but are you using its full potential? Probably not. Let's change that. First up, customization. Did you know you can create custom vibrations for different contacts? Know who's calling without even looking. Super handy. Next, voice typing with punctuation. Speaking your text is fast, but saying comma or period is even faster. Try it, and for the organization gurus, use widgets effectively. Widgets give you information at a glance. Weather, calendar, news, all on your home screen. These are just a few tricks. Explore your phone's settings. You'll be amazed by what you discover. Your laptop is more than just a workhorse. It's a gateway to endless possibilities. It's an entertainment hub, a creativity center, and so much more. From streaming your favorite shows to editing videos, the potential is vast. Let's unlock its hidden potential. First, master keyboard shortcuts. These little tricks can make a big difference. Learning a few can save you hours. For instance, Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for paste. Simple but powerful. Second, utilize virtual desktops. Juggling multiple tasks? Create separate desktops for work, personal use, or specific projects. No more cluttered windows. Imagine having a clean slate for each aspect of your life. One desktop for work emails, another for personal browsing, and yet another for that side project you've been meaning to start. Third, explore built-in accessibility features. These aren't just for people with disabilities. Features like text-to-speech can be incredibly useful for everyone. They can help you multitask or even give your eyes a break from the screen. Imagine having your emails read to you while you focus on another task, or using voice commands to navigate your system hands-free. Remember, your laptop is a tool. Use it to its fullest and watch your productivity soar. With these tips, you'll not only work smarter but also enjoy your laptop more. Dive into its features and discover the hidden gems that can make your life easier and more enjoyable. Smartwatches are no longer just for tech enthusiasts. They're becoming essential companions for everyday life. But are you using yours to its full potential? Beyond notifications and fitness tracking, your smartwatch can do so much more. Customize your watch faces to match your mood, outfit, or activity. Use your watch for quick mobile payments. No more digging for your wallet at the checkout counter. Explore voice commands for hands-free control. Set reminders, send messages, even control your smart home devices, all with just your voice. Embrace the convenience of a smartwatch. It's time to unlock its full potential and simplify your life. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. These names have become household staples. These voice assistants are revolutionizing how we interact with technology, making our lives more convenient and efficient. But are you using them to their full potential? Go beyond basic commands. Ask for recipes, set multiple timers, even play trivia games. Imagine cooking a complex meal and needing step-by-step guidance without touching your phone or cookbook. Your voice assistant is surprisingly versatile. Control your smart home, turn on lights, adjust the thermostat, and create the perfect ambiance for any occasion. You can even start your coffee maker with a simple voice command, ensuring your morning brew is ready when you are. All of this can be done with just your voice. It's the ultimate convenience, allowing you to manage multiple devices simultaneously without lifting a finger. Use your voice assistant for translations. Whether you're learning a new language or need quick translations on the go, it's an invaluable tool. Traveling to a foreign country? Your voice assistant can translate phrases and conversations in real time, breaking down language barriers and making communication seamless. Embrace the power of voice control. From managing your daily schedule to controlling your smart home devices, it's time to let your voice assistant simplify your life. Imagine a world where your voice is the remote control for your entire home, making everyday tasks effortless and freeing up your time for what truly matters. We live in a wireless world, but are you taking full advantage of all the possibilities? Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC? These technologies can simplify your life. First, master Bluetooth pairing. Connect your headphones, speakers, even your car seamlessly. No more tangled wires. Second, understand Wi-Fi networks. Know the difference between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Choose the right one for optimal speed and range. Third, explore NFC technology. Use your phone for contactless payments, data sharing, and even unlocking compatible devices. It's quick and secure. Embrace the freedom of wireless technology. It's time to cut the cords and simplify your digital life. We've all been there, that dreaded low battery notification, but fear no more. Here are some simple tips to extend your device's battery life. First, adjust your screen brightness. Dimming your screen even slightly can make a big difference. Second, manage your app notifications. Do you really need notifications from every app? Disable unnecessary ones to save battery. Third, utilize battery-saving modes. Most devices have built-in modes that limit background activity and extend battery life. Don't let a dying battery ruin your day. Take control and maximize your device's power. Is your device storage always full? Do you constantly get notifications about low storage space? It can be frustrating when you can't download a new app or take a photo because your device is out of space. Photos, videos, apps, they all take up space. But don't worry, here are some simple solutions to declutter your digital life. First, delete unused apps. We often download apps for a specific purpose and then forget about them. These unused apps can accumulate over time, taking up valuable storage space. We all download apps we never use. Take a few minutes to go through your device and identify the apps you haven't used in a while. If you haven't used an app in the last month, consider deleting it. This simple step can free up a significant amount of space. Go through your device and delete the clutter. Second, utilize cloud storage. Cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and iCloud offer free storage options that can help you manage your files more efficiently. Services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and iCloud offer free storage options. By moving your files to the cloud, you can access them from any device with an internet connection, and you won't have to worry about losing important data if something happens to your device. Back up your important files and free up space on your device. Third, optimize your photo storage. High-resolution photos and videos can take up a lot of space on your device. High-resolution photos take up a lot of space. Consider reducing their size or using cloud storage for backups. Many cloud services offer automatic photo optimization, which can significantly reduce the amount of space your photos take up without compromising on quality. Consider reducing their size or using cloud storage for backups. You can also use apps that help you compress photos and videos, making them smaller and easier to store. This way, you can keep all your precious memories without worrying about running out of space. Don't let digital clutter weigh you down. A cluttered digital space can be just as stressful as a cluttered physical space. It can slow down your device and make it harder to find the files you need. Take control and create a clean and organized digital space. By following these simple steps, you can declutter your digital life, improve your device's performance, and make it easier to find and access your important files. Start today and enjoy a more organized digital world. Technology isn't perfect. Glitches happen, but don't panic. Here are some quick fixes for common tech issues. First, restart your device. It's amazing how often this simple step can resolve minor issues. Second, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause a myriad of problems. Make sure you're connected to a reliable network. Third, update your software. Software updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Keep your devices up to date for optimal performance. Don't let tech troubles get the best of you. With a few simple troubleshooting steps, you can often resolve issues quickly and easily. Technology is constantly evolving. It can feel overwhelming, but it's also incredibly exciting. Remember, tech is a tool. Use it to simplify your life, enhance your creativity, and connect with the world around you. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try new apps, explore hidden features, and personalize your devices to fit your unique needs. Embrace the possibilities. Technology is constantly evolving, and with it comes endless opportunities for growth, creativity, and connection. The future is here. Embrace it, explore it, and unlock your full potential with technology as your ally.